All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Today, the hell you doing, Cup? Get out of my damn video. Folks, if you guys haven't already, in the bottom right-hand corner of this video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, turn on that bell notifications, so that way you know when we post more videos just like this. Chat, we got a 17 Chevy Silverado 1500, okay? Lifted 7 inches. On Rough Country's adjustable coilover kit. Tires, excellent shape, 22 by 12 drop stars. And this truck is in immaculate condition. Upgraded stereo, spray-in bed liner, factory Z71 package. And let me tell you, truck, this truck has 23,000 original miles. That's right. Make sure you guys watch till the end of this video so you guys get all the details. 23,000 miles, one owner truck right out of South Carolina. Absolutely zero rust. I don't even think the truck, I don't even think there's a nick on the truck. You look at the undercarriage, frame is absolutely perfect. This is pearl white paint. If you guys pay attention in the sunlight right here, you guys can see all the pearl in the paint. Just absolutely gorgeous. 17s are one of my favorite front ends. It's got a few bugs on it because I've been driving a little bit, but factory Z71, painted to match bumper and grill. Rear bumper's painted to match as well on these. Z71 trim on the floors. WeatherTech floor mats. And you can see the seats are basically like brand new. Factory navigation, power, everything. Mechanically, the truck is still under full factory warranty as far as motor, transmission, and four-wheel drive. So the lift kit does not affect warranty. It is still under full factory warranty from Chevrolet. You have any issues with the motor or trans, straight to Chevrolet, they'll fix it for free. Mechanically though, no issues whatsoever. Give you a shot of the driver's side. This pearl white paint is freaking gorgeous. Like I said, power, everything. You have downhill assist, parking assist. Also, you can charge your celly right there as well. Folks, this is probably the cleanest 17 used Silverado on the market. I'll give you a shot of up close to these adjustable coilovers. I've ran these on trucks before when I've built some of them, and they are freaking nice. The adjustment's right there, you can easily adjust it. The rears are fully adjustable as well. So again, 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500, 23,000 original miles, one owner. Absolutely mint condition inside now to 9.99999. Basically a 10. It's not brand new, so I can't rate it a 10, but it's damn close. Anyway, if you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on the Instagram at DLUX_motorsports, DLUX_motorsports. That's where we post a lot of our inventory when it first comes in. So if you want to see what we get on the daily, make sure you follow us on the Instagram. Then also our website direct, www.dlux-motorsports.com. See y'all next time. Let's go.